life.
Yeah, you go call life, then you call me now.
Now the life I don't already enter so Desiree because this particular problem they so it don't confuse me. You understand? I be sorry. It is some person the way can report my life. So my life video now be it always cut. You don't can call me Desiree. Why it be say when I don't do something online, person must come put una name for social media before una start call. Why?
No, listen. I am not even supposed to call. My dear, I am talking something that is very, very important and it's very, very critical. When you want to do something next time, okay, you think before doing it. Me, the Desiree, when they still get problem for whatsoever. I don't be any kind man. Those who knows me will tell you that you are you because you mentioned that you don't know me. I am not any kind. I don't be any kind person. When I say any kind person, that means
Desiree, I beg audience don't part my camp. Blink, my friend don't bring some case for you. Say the boy will they call me now, so guess what issue money for you. I don't do live show.
But if you not give me 5 francs.
It not give you 5 francs. Excuse me, ma ask you something. You be demaché. Now you give the account. Now you give the account. Now you give the account. You give the account, they send the money. When you talk about business, you talk about name. That kid will China for you picking. Now you give the account.
You don't know what I do as business for a living. That is what we are talking about. You don't know who I am. It's not because I do this with
now you come out to give the girl the account. May the girl wire the money. The girl wire the money no.
This girl insists, okay? So me not talk say that me alone. If talk with the Chinese.
Uncle Victor, ma agree the number. You don't take the girl money 1.something million Desiree, right? You take another 500,000. Say you finish the bolo. You keep the girl for air. The girl the call you need the pick call. The girl the call you need the pick call. You don't change. You get like almost 20 something. What's up? The girl don't give me like 5 of your number. You know how many times I don't try to contact you. You know how many times Desiree I don't try to contact you. Why do I like to give people them bad names so? No, I don't try to contact you. You want to say no, I can put your name for you, so I not be that kind of person.
Regarding my problem now, it is you I know. It's not about Blinky anymore. Okay? Blinky, okay. Assume you say Blinky, okay. What is my name doing on social media?
Your name? What is your name doing on social media? How? Has she not tried to contact you for almost 4 months, Desiree?
No, by law it's not like that.
By law it's not like what?
That Blinky know me personally. And when you posted something on social media, many people made you to understand that they know me.
Desiree.
You were supposed to tag my Facebook to discuss this thing with me. You went on social media, you posted all my pictures, and you posted some kind of Taliban story about me.
Desiree,
don't find out for funny.
Excuse me.
People that are doing that like a joke, but it's not something funny.
There's nothing funny about it. Everybody can come out on social media. You took the money. You don't pick calls, right or wrong. She has said her own here. She's giving you 2 million.
Blinky not give me 5 francs. I not take Blinky 5 francs.
You said of all side.
You know as the function. You know as the function. I get recharge money. I get Alipay. I get bank account. If it's supposed to pay me money, me I deal with the agent them. That's all. So when you are talking something, don't just talk because you want to defend one.
Oh, excuse me. Who sends the money of the agents that she's supposed to send the money with Desiree?
The money to me. That they are paying directly to the Chinese. Why did they decide to pay directly the money to the Chinese? Because
you give the Chinese the contact now. Now you give the Chinese the contact now, Desiree. Now you give the Chinese the contact, Desiree. C'est toi qui as donné le numéro de Shinkola qui t'a envoyé l'argent ici. He ask you, he say yes, I get the screenshot. You say yes, may send the money for yes. You receive.
Je vais t'expliquer quelque chose que tu dois comprendre. À un certain niveau, vous focalisez seulement d'argent. Est-ce que tu sais que moi je suis un businessman qui a des choses à gérer dans le monde entier, que mes images circulent, vous connaissez ce que j'ai déjà perdu. Quand je vous dis que moi, je veux suivre la fête jusqu'au bout, on vous a dit que c'est une histoire de 1,5 million encore. C'est une histoire de mon image et mon nom que vous avez pu mettre sur la toile. Et sans vous mentir, moi je suis prêt. Je suis prêt à suivre ça jusqu'au dernier degré. On verra qui a raison ou qui a tort.
Desiree.
Je suis intermédiaire dans le business, c'est vrai. Je suis intermédiaire dans le business.
Desiree, now who give the name made us send the money? Now who give the name made us send the money? Now you give the name made us send the money.
Why you did do business with me? You don't pay me. You decide faut payer personne à dire.
No, motif. When I hear something, you don't take money, you the hook up talk say they for send an for your name. If they want, now you give the name for the Chinese so they will send the money. Desiree, yes. You say yes.
How come? How come they send them? When it happen before they decide to send money, then they forgive for me a 100 transaction for Chinese man. Ask yourself a question. Why?
Desiree, again line for Can China. Again line for Can China. I tell my person we get a line say pay money for the account you Can China. Now you money. I know the person. Now you Desiree, I know you be the machine. I don't lost get here for China. Here they get homie. It say no concern with logistics. It send money for communistics.
With me, not be ordinary visa as we think. Pinky is in China. Pinky is not in Cameroon and she wants to come to China. She was not being student visa.
Desiree.
Sometimes they are doing this, but we fail to understand. It was not student visa.
Desiree.
Pinky had a new passport that we could get for wake up Pinky visa. This one a wake up in visa matter. It is like saying it's fair for understand. It is like saying you we don't go to something if it's new. You get right for carry my name, go social media or whatsoever. This is business. And business na business. You understand?
Desiree.
If Pinky pay me money, the business go wrong. Pinky get right for ask me money. I give you the money because he pay me.
5 months. Desiree, 5 months. 5 months. You need big call. You need the contact us where don't take your money. 5 months. 5 months. You know you talk now wait to so for you.
Mon problème n'est plus l'Afrique qui a le business avec moi. Tu comprends? Parce que même tous les magistrats disent la même chose. Le problème n'est pas l'Afrique qui a fait le business avec moi.
Okay, then I give the account. Munya Costas. Now you give the account. The money don't disappear. It say no concern me.
The account. What is my name doing? Listen. This is a business. C'est anything. Tu comprends non? C'est anything. Ça doit pas aller sur Facebook. Ça pas chercher quoi sur la toile. C'est le faux. Nous sommes fautifs. Mais mon nom cherche quoi sur la toile maintenant?
Desiree, you talk about your name cherche tout la toile. You talk about it, Desiree. You don't take this girl in money for over 4 months. If they never do that post, you know for call me and you know. You need picky call. You need picky call. How you want to take person 2 million? She don't top there. You don't. You talk for over 5 months and then pick up nothing.
Before God and mine, I don't know you. This is my first point. I don't know you. You said if I didn't see your post, I could have not called you. Right?
Yes.
I don't know you. How will I call someone I don't know? Secondly,
When I hear something.
I am not your follower on your.
Yes. You're not my follower.
I don't follow your page.
Yes.
I'm not your. I don't follow you on Facebook. You understand? I'm not being. If I get this information, now people when they know me, they can forward everything to me. Like 1,000 forward all my inbox people.
See me see trouble.
Now, you like me for salute me for Facebook. I'm talking something that makes sense now. Now forgive me for which.
Desiree, I don't get no malice against you. You understand? I not be smart. You not begin tell me law for you. Waiting lawyer. You two get case. You get case. Not begin tell me say lawyer. Desiree, not tell me lawyer. Again, all kind of rubbish video on social media. Never call no man say I have a lawyer. My papa na lawyer. My papa na lawyer. No. Check out on YouTube. Check out on social media. My father is a very renowned lawyer. Not tell me not about law. But yes, I be small picky. My papa na big lawyer for Southwest. You not tell me not about law. No, my papa na lawyer. No. When I say my papa na any kind of man, not tell me about law. I don't be soon no maybe bring my case on social media. You know why? Say cyber police, cyber crime. Which crime? I commit which crime? You tell me you want to take that thing threaten me. I be small picky. Desiree. See what tell you say law. Do. My papa na lawyer. No, not say because I should I come on up for down. Yes, I be that kind of picking when you tell me say lawyer or the cry. Bring the lawyer. You talk waiting for your ear. When I frappe my man no talk, my man she don't die say I begin to negotiate with you for backside. No, no, put your name for you for calm. When I tell me I'm waiting for you, say lawyer, law there. Law. Which law? My neighbor did the whole social media, they cost me my head to my toe. I don't bring how many lawyers them for the case. Na joke. Can't see me see trouble. In a grip pay money, talk as your pay, talk, you say no concern you. He say no concern you. It pay the money for year, it pay the money for day. See, may I tell something now? I don't. It tell us to be talking to so they laugh. This way. You talk say you want talk law. You find the lawyer then. You guys screenshot will send money. You need play for ye. There are screenshots of transactions to your Alipay in China. You get them live. If you don't woke up, you don't do some wrong transaction. It's not say when man, this is so that 3 party. If fail, a day and more. It woke up. See, I did 5 administrators on my page. I was even sleeping when they post that thing. Now me, I woke up at 10 and down. I said, I'm not be drama queen. Me, I go live and explain of your friend. They say this is what is going on. You come inside talk lawyer. You see her face again from my page. I consider you may you don't talk for that. I just say well, they more talk this small. More talk say oh you na 100,000 more pay the girl. You say okay, give me what's up. You told me. Give me what's up. You told me. Money time you come say you get lawyer. Me no man not fool you because they get the China hope you keep. If that get hold you, it get screenshot and messages and record where they say get company You talk law. Any man get lawyer. Can you imagine? Wonderful palaver. Can you imagine? My sister, all my videos for social media, I don't ever call that person I will call lawyer. My partner the strongest lawyer for Southwest Province. So lawyer no my papa. Una no play type of Facebook go see fat my short let me round fair. My papa no na say uncle my papa my mama be my belle. When anyone jaka she don lawyer, any man jaka she don lawyer, any man jaka she don lawyer. Nana many lawyer man get for a family. When I talk now, wait, me say I read law. Oh, Joe, combos. Any man just welcome my lawyer. I've called my lawyer. Who not get lawyer? When I mean like they welcome my pie chamber so they wear coats. Because we talk that thing when I sleep, but you do me say I carry me go case. For money, I don't frappe and she don't quiet. They blink it today so no ish. Like case on my hair. I read law, University of Boya. Why? I read law, University of Boya. Ah, because they come and made Martinez over here. Ah, okay. Go ask her now. Check say because say don't take my money. You don't yeah. For you for book up, go fix them. Now some people they there for social media. You know to be 2 million. I say 2 million for Cameroon for I take taxi can China. Because get away hope Peking. Of course. Get away hope Peking for how you frappe, you take it 2 million. You want to talk, you start because you tell court law. I have 5 majesty, they don't call you the evening. I have 16 majesty, they don't call you. What's be the problem? Miriam is so annoying, you understand? Yes, we get 5 administration on the page. Now that if you put any man this thing the ego live. One of the administration don't post that thing. I see the boy don't message me. First I do at 10 and I say wait, Papa, these are the messages. I write him. I said, but wait till you really go on. He explain. Only say no man no pay money for your account, the money go for Chinese my account. Now the only thing that the one is about come over the thing. And the day say, okay, no man no pay money for your account. Now you give the account no. He say yes. Me I want bring person for China. Now me I give account say pay for you when I pay when I want to say no pay and for Kobolisi Eco Bank. I need to stand for the account before losing my money. I'm telling you, it really be pathetic. They get all suffer. Can you imagine? My friend, if they will pick it, if they even pick up again. As if you need to talk to you, don't go and I forgot work for a picky. Get the suffer. You take it that time money, you come out China, no fit tell the guys you don't come out China. Say they Philippines after they Togo. Now this for Gabon. Number I don't give for WhatsApp, you just say they Gabon. But I they Philippines. I don't tell you say when I dey for your case. You see this or no? I don't turn her. That's why I suffer my friend died for my house. Say I mean I kill you. That's why I suffer for Clemence died for my house. Say I kill you. I don't get me no case. When I call you when my head is hot, where can say a tea. Begin pick come on. This boy don't woke up call for you and I talk you on talk them. Same I even call for WhatsApp me all with the boy talking they pick call. Hello? Blinky. Any house I know it's okay too. Maybe I do my own distress me for a year. Last now still my brothers and sisters. Before I know, I don't fix on that problem. Can you imagine? You don't bring number, make them send the money inside, woke up again say no their account. Then they get proof say he send it 2 million account. The boy the girl send for Chinese account. That would the one do visa every year with the same money for school when they charge the visa only pay. Would the worker say no as student as that school chop the money. I saw no. Any man go frappe. Hey frappe bring motif. No, the account we don't know na so. I want to talk to him say lawyer. You want to say lawyer? Make a man laugh. Now many cases are still open up for this social media. People don't push me up and down. Bring me all kind of problems. I don't know what I not do no more. You never hear that we come my show can't talk nang my chest say lawyer. When they do that nonsense, at this social media face my fears. They say if you want to stay tall, if you don't want to face the wind, no turn. If you don't want to, you don't have feel come up for kitchen. That's what the social media. Any man talk anything free talk. No, you can't tomorrow can't say no. Not so. I did try for solve the thing since yesterday. Now message they are already go. Since yesterday. Wait till they talk. Before one gather 1.6 million for can channel you come on go for embassy for 5 o'clock on morning time. Go start photocopy the people the 500. Many people don't make a man remember myself. You go pay the 500. Say where you get for photocopy for the back. Only for fine money for chop for front embassy. You should not have a floor for that long. Why can do error for 3,000? Can't work out she done. Today on I look gang. No no suffer man no suffer. I come I go stay for Bastos with Doki boy. They still or command for Bastos way. So tell him I say a good boy. There's some man if you want me, but they take me beans for free. Only with these two, is 8 boys. There's one they sleep for floor, so one they sleep for chair. Only for say me get place if you go stand take your embassy number. You go drag water for where we can lock the put on that rock. We go start the take taxi, Bastos, Sansenka, Immeuble the one connect to reach Bastos. Today put a luma kai here, mommy, that's all I enjoy. Who should enjoy me? I just say to put on because they want find that they bend down fine and they play. Check for travel and biscuit. When you don't frappe your eye will clear after you understand say that money we are bag you for land. You feel some fish no one is to chop and take and go nightclub your own. Now don't frappe people then we yeah. Document those stands for embassy so gather 8 passport and so say they took the pass backside throw the passport for some water we come people the staff there they wait till they can't get the visa don't vanish. Take it line go church close now. You do You talk, clap, you still go for your house now. No, so no. Mark. Top people don't know what to turn a chief program. See, I want to keep the evidence for you know, so that tomorrow, because I want boss, I'll just come send even have FBI the link. Make them know. I said, girl don't transport a boyfriend from Bangladesh to Dubai since the boy passport said the boyfriend always spent 280,000. You say, come on, the boyfriend make us so start cheat on me. We spend 280,000. Then you imagine the person is coming 2 million, you know, so the person they are brother, no only no rush, you know, what to say sign for here, sign for here, sign for here. When it concern money, as that one travel, so travel 10 days in Dubai, travel 15 days to Canada, travel 13 days to Australia. All on a small office when I used to go, so I go should have known I pay money. If some person over give handwritten document, put ID card, put photocopy for all it in the put exit clip on, I go sign for lawyer. No move, no 5 franc, you know, man. You might be they be very terrible these days. You go feed pay your money so they don't carry you as a carry my friend. They say they go Japan, they go live there for Hong Kong. So now Japan, they go they struggle for learn Japanese language. You know, say they go enter McDonald's for Hong Kong. So they in Hong Kong. You don't trust no man way can say yourself because you see human being. Person if you give money today, ask tomorrow, say show me proof. Then let me sign love. Person if you didn't wash it, also cook for you. Can I reach abandon it? Say show me place I don't show it for some family. We don't work 5 years free. Say show me place I don't take it from the because you say my wife, your eye clear. No ever. Even if you want to documents or person, make the person should not dance so say yes, I take him money so sign so these are the outcome. And when you can travel 15 days to America, you go gear. People don't use 6 million for travel through Mexico for enter. They go tight for Panama, they deport them back on that 2 planes. Here people they are complaining. People don't go Ghana 8 million gear for agents. Say they want to travel go America. 8 million they will use food to travel half of the journey go America. 8 days for bush. Now people don't suffer for travel. People don't suffer. So they take 6 or 8 million. Give person book their flight for Ecuador. Ecuador now how much now visa free. They'll tell you 3 million for go Ecuador with ticket. You land for Ecuador on your own. They take another 3 million for cross you. People don't chop with their money for need document. I don't be lie. Yes, when Ecuador are free, you just come book your reservation online for Ecuador, you land. But they'll still bab you, they'll still wipe you. People that don't use sense, people they be very valuable. No? You're fully telling them, come on, go use your land, just take and give me visa, man. But don't see, nobody cares about you. Where concern you money, human being over be very poor for attitude. Person if you give person money, that's what ask again. You cost hala in hala, you stay one bit 2 7 and bit aside, hala you threaten your life on top. So you don't even let you favor. People don't pay how much for go Kuwait. You put their Kuwait story for you, they move 2 million pay for age of go Kuwait na free. 1 million for go Kuwait na free. Contact for the contact agent for that year. They say 5 million, they give commission 300,000. They finally one way again, they take you 1 million, you give for ticket, everything. People don't reach for that thing. People will not be enlightened. No. They don't go for anybody. They make office. Give me 800,000 same for Kowe. You only work at 300,000. Use 4 months of one money. You're not supposed to suffer. Doctor said no. Come on, help you. Go Iman for Iman. You'll be nanny. If you go for Iman, you walk so they bab you. Your eye clear. You go for them no. If you want to come out with your agent, we can say that if 4 million for your belly, they don't advance you, they shoot. You have a feeling want all that money. When I joke, people they be very bad. When it concerns money, person don't carry a family, say they cross in America. Boys, so they give 5 million, abandon all months of Panama vanish. They start use food, they check, they go small. Nobody cares about you. Nobody say, Mama, cause they are trusting. You never know person fine. If you know person fine, every time money you do it, your highest na 70. You go run in kokoshi, bring problem na order. Time she go still the tonton, you still leave, you still forgive you. People don't chop with your money for ducky front and back. No man no do nothing. You want to start telling say back here. The line we don't know, cannot be no. Na so no. Doctor say no, bring 5.6. I'll cross you. You go America. They carry abandon you for River Wuri, for Panama. You start use food. You go small. You cut here. You chop biscuit. You drink coffee. You use 10 days or enter Mexico. If you enter Mexico, oh yeah, under food on chop. Na so. They say no, they don't try. They don't bring you something for a year. You don't pay. People don't pay. How much people don't pay? I'm going to America. 6 million. You reach now for Mexico, start in back 50, 100. Like big Mexico, you get another 1 year. You go across enter camp. Yes, just the Holy Spirit for witness. Document, you know, okay. They go out, they go to show a picture where you don't suffer. Yes, they overhard, don't bad. You go to show people, you do my petty set cross no way. You don't enter America, you don't pull your seat, you don't say, yeah, I'm America, no. I mean, America, you want to go. They'll tell you, say, no, go take it, Greece, they'll help you. People don't move 4 million, give person say they want to go Schengen, they end for Turkey. Turkey when at 300,000 for enter. Oh, this is really my witness. You go pay 4 million, enter the tide for Istanbul. We won't know day. They start telling you, no what is on both some Kenny, the guy be first, second, third. They'll take you, major time had God, the Lord is with you. You should not go Turkey, so see, my tell your story. So my grandfather be there we talk about it, say one for that Schengen line. Every short take it, say the man say make it 800 euro for cross go Greece. I say 800 euro is here, I laugh. I check that thing on YouTube. Let's say put it in and look online. I look at take it to Greece. I see the distance inside of small boat, you don't make 3 hours, you don't reach Greece, you don't start shore. I laugh at this, is it that man don't travel for the way, that man travel for the way, and about 5 bash list, you won't have a travel with the cafe, me have a lie argument. As a graphic, you over like argument, I don't be a light, so I didn't look, I didn't read, I didn't go online. When I want to look on go share, look, you want share. I didn't go online. Person get away, you want to make so work, so you try to study the topography of that country, to do things and I said, no something, leave other things of hotel where your passport go around, take today, you meet up person, go fear. People was say, no space in the smoke bag, you smoke bag, and say, I said, go for any tech. You know, so when enter country, that the agency for the country, they tell you true. When you don't go for any backside, you know, say that kind people, they went now also like people, they were that kind of passion, when they just show up, they just free, go for them, they'll give all story for that country. If you call like a gem, if you come go for it, just one budget, they say 50 euro, if buy gem, you go show that people that were 10. If they say the refugee, just enter one go, please, a man just thought, they say if you get 80 euro, the crossing the night for 8 o'clock. He say, the man say, yes, 80 euro, ship the camp. That man, they tax the 800 euro, don't gather the 10 keep of them, all they get for pay money, we get for be so Cameroon. As this time that person even go back, go take it back. They just buy a small bag, so don't go enter that motor, enter that ship, go abandon all the other service for the money. That time you say, "Go, so that's why you tell me that true no." I mean this now, so they enter na Greece, so they go na go so climb ship today for 8 o'clock. They cross it over that boy, they shit over there, they raise money. Go see how so the document don't be like that. So man, they chop money pass docu people there. Docu people na highest for they chop it instant 2 million cash. You see they just go buy. Advices for evening time they make people they travel and waiting. Any bill they give us at times 2. Dog use on call one way so you go the follow up program and that this you know say when I call one donkey. No, me I tell my true no. I mean I especially use story. I tell you see the channel so no. You give me so. Or that's why I give so you can pay your rest for your school. You see, as the so guy go happen to the problem so that vector start showing screenshot. I say, Sam, and I see that document na 20,000 at chop am. If she don't quite say come, I say 20,000. Actually, I don't transfer credit for Cameroon. I say, Sam, when I like for worry man for no nothing. Oh, God, the when I don't meet up donkey people. My friend they take him. Ah, God, who cares about you? Thank you. You know. They'll say JW2 to America and $500 when are free. You get $30 for campus. They move you a mutual letter. Or tell you what I'm follow that student line. Give me $500. You wire. I come should not be made in the online. Use of funny certificate they apply. A JW want to come on because say admission don't come get another 200,000 for my sister. You go take a letter. You get the you can't take another thing. Don't carry. Come on, you go embassy. You want enter embassy again? So we go prepare you banking, prepare you when I want. Where do you say? They prepare you, prepare. See, they don't charge my friend 4.3 million so air. And they test that thing I like the vision I like. And also when they don't start taking your pay, they'll take you one air. They say 0.5 you pay, 0.3 you pay, 0.4 you pay, you go pay so there. Also document go make no the visa will come on. They want me to tell for buy. They drink, chop their better meat. They put the program you. Yeah, no, hey, that was people don't go no. And the things they push. See, their friend is slow. I don't think they go fight so. You don't talk. Give me the one what I give. Fish the only one that person the G up. You never they wear. I don't talk say no. Me I get me. I said no. No for your money come. Flop am. You never they wear. Mommy. So no. Somebody be there, they do donkey for all man. If the worker bring people, then bring people, they give 2.5 million for grid that work is at 2.5. You buy motor. Buy motor for China, you drive and say the bring over the work donkey. Then they catch it. That last set so amen. That last set where they be enter so passport service lost. You see, you know if you understand how people they struggle for travel, how people they struggle for get when you person will land traveling document, they still fight. That means say no. God do you. You see how people they suffer for lose money. Oh God. That my small friend Mirabel say they can also write for immigration when for that boy you go deposit paper. That boy frappe this and again he cries they say on 8,000 way post. The boy say make calls. Start with the extended that means that you go take that meeting money 100 for 120, 200 for 250 go pay. Carry a kid up boy. Oh, okay. So on Friday you can't take the frappe that boy. So you spend all the money the cash that boy, you spend all the money so even passport loss. No. People they chop for See, so I'm gonna say no, give 500,000 if you know what it out only for style a document. That the highest one that they still chop you. Because now we just say they don't deny you, you want to do one. People don't take people their money for go Latvia, Lithuania, and they call you other European country they still beg and beg for enter EU, the Romania. They take 4 million people, they thank you, they go sell land. You know, people in the fear for do investment or now they ever fall for that kind of thing. Somebody thank you, they wear grandfather, they fine. 4 million, they rich as a rich user, they don't throw it, so bam, they turn, they find the next person. The way they don't start showing, they take your picture, they go social media, they show your friends, you see, I know. That me, I walk it, they'll see. So, again, we don't enter Brits, we they put this, change the how they call it, foot handcuff them where they handcuff you know when they put you that where you want to come out the alarm. I don't forget that this thing. The boy tell me see a man for UK no. You see a friend you show me they get half can so they get the shine. He said they find me 3M come. I called I gotta come not tell me to house prison almost. So that boy make they catch me for airport, how long it take me, I beg not, I don't ever advise anyone, I say, Jesus, thank you, say, no, I don't lie. Aaron, see somebody don't carry my 5 by people. They say they go in Holland, leave them for Russia, disappear. We say airport. They should go for airport. Say the boy don't go buy Coca-Cola and hamburger me on and chop. When they take the next flight, they should go for airport. They start explaining for airport. Airport say me they don't see their passport for some chef. They want that place where they on our place. So carry their passport, give them. They start crying. That's why they take a commode for inside Russia. They might put in a Russia visa. Say they be student. They leave. They say they go pay their school fee to 2.5 million. Then when they come back now, so they take a enter Russia. They start doing that guess. Start scam. That boy tell me say Congo live a year no. Eh? You don't care about they say they go Japan, live there for Hong Kong no. I don't like when me I dey on top your case there in a pick call. That boy don't call. You don't hear to it don't turn no. He talk say you don't give no money. And he call me for WhatsApp. I connect that to my life. I don't give WhatsApp. I don't give WhatsApp. You don't talk for you.
Yeah,
Yes.
So I've been signing up everything for your phone.
Fair talk for you. I don't like me. Fair talk for you for WhatsApp. Yeah, no.
I'm tired. I'm really tired of his life.
I don't give. I've been trying for call. I don't know say for training. You go back. I mean, you try for me. Make a 3-way call. More see.
Okay.
So when you should call me. Now how many minutes or how many hours or go and 60?
Like 2 hours.
Call me for evening now. No talk.
Okay.
Send me a message number.
Okay.
Send an answer for we chat. People they make you answer to them. But they don't take their money for Dubai, so they can't go give them below carry their abandon them bed space vanish. Say and some person tell me that's what they do for Dubai now. Some person just say you work. Say you want to say you work, you give 250,000. We won't work no day. Say normal. That would be frappe. See, people they get for no say even for bush. All we talk for answer continue me say that all we love each other. Any man get it bitter for some man. Have you been that kind of person where I carry my husband another black man? No. Boy, they never hear the work. She go no get it. Never hear the work. Jaja. I'm a man a customer. Not busy because you don't come bush here. My brother call black. That's no there. When they work in a United Nations. Any man then another my customer. You play, you fall. Koni man die, koni man bury. You make anyhow, you see anyhow. If frappe you, it go. The eye clear. Yeah. You know what they say that my own blood they do me so. No want to know for that one say over there in the unit. No, not then a jaggy way. Any man if frappe, he pass. This is the way to the ones that they worry me no. No, I hear for Dubai. No, I hear for Dubai say for Dubai na normal thing na when person just take you money. You just tell say I may wait till you go give work. If it vanish. But for you, I don't black girl will tell me say work, they might find it 150,000. Send them I go for the work. I tell you I don't just wish I don't like the work. May give me by even 100,000 my pay. Say no, no day. Thank you. Don't know to know for you like say you're my brother's keeper. That's you know People here they even help you out of the country. Don't ever people they come over our country. If you even a Weimar, if you even a East Africa. You come on, you go for somebody else, where as every time you struggle, your mom just struggle, you so it's well. You lock a dog, pra. I suffer. I chop dog farm. Dog farm even normal by the side, the shooting story one food, bro. You can't turn on my daily food. Believing gladly you see that one. I remember some restaurant they would call and say Gambe, you can say Chukski. When Chinese don't can finish chop, go now not about corona for don't get that no. When you can go move scraps. So the man go the show say the fish, the normal really chop and most of one only one. They make so that's all the fried can. I don't go with the winter jacket, that's why I don't wear jacket, that's why not bad. Get what me fun. Say more she don't more arrange more pack other part they put up that place so arrange so if you use na student they place take us you guys rice way my friend Okaliva say go Ghana so take some one small fish that say you take the one fairly chop and then him also desperate oh do half you struggle no person I remember I say 5 of that boy, when that boy bring up for that visa, they pack that thing, they go back. It was terrible. It will be so bad. You know when one brings some person was online, you know explain. It's so bad. When one brings some person was online, you need to tell you true. The person don't can enter shop. They start telling me so oh my god. Some boy be pack go back, Paul pack go back, say no fitting. They better give you a hassle. You know nobody can say now wish. Okay, already enter no. Oh, enter, surrender. I remember Sunday. She don't so because I began for pay. How they call it this thing, hostel, dormitory. So I be tell them say, my run when they don't put my visa, I'll go West Union when I program. I should know that boys there. You know, say me I be very flexible. No. Don't that voice that dormitory. I can't country now for Robono. Colon Nang means hotel. I don't buy my I get my steady work. I just comment where who was leave my mom not said go -42 for that place of Wenzhou or north of China. They will call the right and say as I never that hang they say me that boy they can't go pay their holiday dormitory when they don't move the heater. But we said that but it doesn't no move no ita. No move no ita. But they wait. They show me. I said, "Comment c'est passé de? Comment c'est passé de?" Immigration. We go take a we go take back. What you down? Put it down. You explain. I said, "You understand?" They may What's it? I see. Chateau, Jimmy, we never dormitory. Alex, and they call it Nigeria boy. Then there is 6. I want to say, so person who you eat for money tell me one. They don't fit that. Oh, hey, now we don't understand. No, winter no na Munzui. See, that boy just say as I don't move that international die or die today. Now we don't can say no. My condition was there already continue. If I overmake, I feel get so sick. My time for come here don't reach. My fine my passport. Sam, they move that internal. I move all my clothes on my box. I move all my clothes on my box away around. And if you still go eat. Then it touch water for tablet. Then they say ice. I mean say that city be covered that every time they want to go flush toilet. They don't freeze can up. You need go down. So ice this over that toilet pot. Cool. They write and say for that student when that news forecast they say today cool if you come out if you die. That boy doctor say go should do I say no I'll go wash my Kenyan fruit before that female dormitory. You go they go apply hair. I write to say where for years so they don't cut what tama can major tummy I say okay leave I can't wash. I say I go wash your they can she don't me back. That boy was struggle. They say, why? Because I'm going to try to go supermarket. See, so we contribute. I go move 100, 200, 300. Gather also. I took up my pocket where the can't check it. I saw a fat little mind. You didn't even see the next person. I saw, oh, slow. I saw walk I go to the supermarket. Go take one dumb found onions, rice. Those rice are the cheapest thing in China. But cook that chop. You finish come back soon. I see a hand on freeze. Tell me, you open the door. I said, open the door. You move that back so it force you feel rest. You go strong. So for every war so until so my hand start to straight back. Then you should don't you strong. Got that small. You got that. And then they say, Ben, I will cook your choma. And then I bet I cook was camp. Cook was cook. I said, no woman, no. I will cook your choma. I said, I go show. I said, the shake of that kitchen. I said, the slice of onion. We just try to make anything. I say, when you should not even make full make a person's story change. The life we man. Anyway, sure. That's what makes you strong, so. That's a lot though. Now life now. It's okay. No, they had no be wrong back. I say, Tiger.
Yeah.
Your man Desiree don't call say it is very wounded. You don't carry make up for social media. Now if he struggle to explain and say, he say no give no budget. Now say that you insist say you want pay the money for Shinko my account.
What the? No, but I want to say you can talk even to them. Now you get company. Now you decide they chat the day. They chat the day.
He say they very wounded. Say now you insist say you want pay for. So Shinko map the money company say why you not pay the money for your account? You not send no money for.
Now I just manufacture my own Shinko man and then the budget inside the Chinko man budget. It really makes sense. When you say the black the vex, no one land, where no land, no one land.
I don't tell you, I just broke the coconut. So now send the account now no na say na you. He tell me French, je croyais que. I know them.
That translation Chinese, send an for mom. They say na Chinese man to talk. The travel me they say why would you overhear him? Move take time. When I translate the message, I'm saying no one not Chinese, they got Chinese. So especially educated Chinese, no figure right kind of Chinese. We don't go use now translated Chinese, young guy, and then translate them for this thing. And for Chinese, and then send them. Say na the immigration man in account is. That waiting they talk with you.
Which immigration man? It's still another story.
He say be wounded. You know I be wounded. When you don't go, he will be wounded. Fine. I want to say, if me a big, he will pay damages. If na say at the line, me take and go for level with me, I will pay damages. I will pay the damages. Yes. But if it is, you know, the line, why you want to skin? I will pay damages if it is at the line. I will pay you the show, and then I'll come if I say a line show. Second to say no, at the line and line. No, you don't see me or no nothing. I'll still can't talk. I pay damages. The Yiddish show say he be clean. If he come out clean proof, they say be clean. Because I get proof them for my hand now. Why that talk so?
I guess we'll get exit. Anyway, I swear they don't design saying I saw what they can for social media.
No, it really vexed me because Trey even touched me now because the mom say he don't stick. Me at this like that mom tells you I don't start. I say okay, maybe it's your brother. Even if you want bad, not bad. The document what can I have something will show or it will balance back the money. That is reason that I even do it. So that is the reason I say they pay the money. I say they pay 2 million for your recharge.
You say yes.
They pay 2 million for your recharge. I said no, say nobody say they company. They pay for company account. I mean to them they pay for company account since I was in a company. And I said okay, he will send the immigration man Alipay. He will send the immigration man Alipay. He said the immigration man Alipay will pay him for the. He pay him for the cold 2 And then after 1 month, he come out to say he go change the visa for. Let me say you come after 30 days. After 30 days, we'll give you 5 more days. We'll call you 5 days after 30 days. It will say no, the immigration man don't finish clear overstay. He remain now for put in the work visa. They try to discuss and kind of thing. They say okay, send screenshot now. They say okay, you go tell the immigration man. Then I say you know they not China. They don't go Philippines to go do visa change. And for them, I start kick. How you fit get line when you do visa for bring back from change to visa go and for work document. You see go change your visa from Philippines to enter back. You go to visa. Wait, Corona day, border the number block. You need to go out of and enter China anyhow, even if you have now which kind of visa. At that time, I'm saying the man just say no clear. Don't ask on that 1 or 200 and something thousand again. Then they will say, no pay, and then the document come out, we see pay. That money, more big talks on, I say, more bit of a vex, so we keep talking about that in clear. That money at 2.2 million, not even 2 million, 2.2. I get all the screenshot now, 2.2 million.
Send me the screenshot there. Send me the screenshot.
27,500 MB.
Okay. Upiki wana yombe bona ona hula for skin. Where Papa got there? Leave you, Papa. No mind. Send me the screenshot then. So that anyone want ask, will know I'll know as I back up because normally friend they in doubt, they don't write me, say because was not lie, they listen to one side. Now when I make the video so that people don't feel listen to the two sides. May any man judge, may any man know say no man they call dog a ban him. The son Tiger I bet Babi
not pay exam. Send me the new document. All we understand. Doc, if you don't fit, the level where you take at the show now, it begins you well. But you know, if you accept it, now something will happen. So now I can't harden criminal in situation where they don't even in accept where we can send me the decision in God, talk with him. But if I can be guilty for all sad, it be guilty. It get a rush now because you know when they don't hold you, put it for down. Which criminal do it? You just hear Coca and agree 1 time serious and nothing they happen. When you don't hold you, put it for down. Don't ask Nancy Babishu transaction be happen, you hear you to say yes. Or when you don't hold you for side with your family member, to hold you for say now just because me have been a good man. When they let me say it and never pay me, I will say okay, move find some one amber man, also one khaki man, me just go deal with it in a private. But one time it be official. If I'm going official, therefore I know why I'm going official. Now if the first man don't hold me, why I decide to take it home so? Even the other man will take 15 million, when we tell him that how many people they can put on that company for Shanghai, that man could chop my own soup. Yes, chop my own money too.
That man first time I pick Mirabe can stay for my house. That pick no get passport today. You know who passport. Boy, if you don't depass how much?
That man, I don't depass I think na 500k. 500k. But the man who better say he can write you and then he pays small. He pays small. He don't pay 150.
They keep ready for strong web power thing. Where Tiger don't hear no. Admin also was something that fix that. You see, after everything will fix and I still a brother will do
our
brother will do and China come on. Our China brother so we always struggle fix and bed. I want to more explain for audience. May any man no say now so you happen because put the 50 people you like a common bad name.
No man call no man bad name. Mom don't talk with the video first. Say ye and Babishu don't stay. That's the reason I trust Babishu. So it over vexed now because why bring them for meeting now because of say he trust Babishu for the level way Babishu now a brother. My brother to you. So if Babishu will go the extent with even tonight say no transaction don't happen. Therefore Babishu don't even surpass that trust we won't get and we like a brother really give and not proof again say no. This man a criminal. That means if he really want to go the mom because if I know it me na Kobo you dey my sister something happen between me and you go bring her for meet her and then I can't deny you. Meaning say I don't ever know you tonight transaction paint you black because of say I want to defend myself. No. That means I surpass that trust for say you be my sister. And that's what Babishu is doing. So in general, claim now they say mom be delusional or we be delusional for carry name go to meet her. Next thing go for carry and go to meet her and then put out your head for 200,000. And then wait say if he beaten a lie, they will pay that.
See, you see my follower there in the name place the person right and say no. The only fear we get and I say no if you the boys they go take 20,000 give bounce. My follower they be give me. I bring Tizzy Pacha for this show. I person ask Tizzy Pacha say, "We yes the fuck Catino." Tizzy Pacha move their glasses. See, my follower they be very wounded. See, the writer say no. If the play, I person say go take that money. I go find it, go catch. She say go only so take phone call. See, I'm in the play that play.
How many audience, right?
Yeah, audience no.
I will tell them. If he listen a lie, I will come back and apologize. I will pay the baby shoe damages. Any amount we ask, I will pay. When I talk, in fact, even record and keep up, I will pay any amount in a lie. If we ask about damages, I will pay. But even I do, it will pay me back all my money to the time. In fact, you never even know.
My follower they play. See, they say suppose you say go find Bounce. Bounce go holy. Then he will run now. Call Blinky, send the money. They pay the blouse.
My friend, every friend that's come out will come to say no, that kind of thing, wait, they know.
So, and the worst thing when the person not share money start to say skin affair how much that if it kill me because my 5 million my 5 francs be near 5 million. Any man is strong for game. They need minimize money.
My begin now what job on with my begin even no say Kobos did not start happen for me and things for that time one being at na Masili on a which time come on with that job for Shando because that time won't be heavily pregnant won't be there at 9 or 10 months I come on lost that job because again of dogs.
I don't know
how you work for the corona enter corona survive.
I remember say that time of coronavirus and that call you don't just let my one go moon. We don't tie all your face and begin laugh and say, where I tell my friends, don't blow your massa. You don't need to be for your massa for work for the cold time so the still hustle. Upon all B we pay and bo. Upon all B. It's where I don't want to keep all the record or keep of my live show. No one I do not so what's up tiger, you know. My run now go attack against my last bambe, so my last farm will work out. My work out my farm now so when I come story. Okay, but telephone na total. Na don't hear no. If you see the couple, then they're young, so they're 28, 27 years speaking. I talk for so very young couple. They already married them. They're too fine. They already married. They plan for big their life. They don't want their picking. The boy already do it when she married. Very. They want to change their student visa to work visa. They go frappe them. So it's so annoying. Small young man and woman way. They don't travel. They young. They don't can't channel. They young. They say me they hustle their life. May they beat them together, may they bond their picking, may they make a family, may they get legal document for work, you go to frappe them. You go frappe them, you take their money, then they want to talk, you can't be any threatening with them. When a small picking, they don't say they go sacrifice all through they get and say may they be stable for China, may they get at least their work permit. You know, if you go be Dubai, move your money, say you know how they do Kalewale, you know how they do exit entrance, Iran do one, you move money, you give some person, may the person find you work visa, if you should for some place, you work for some company go cover you, then the person enter vanish, you never enter Sandoki. How am I sad? It's so annoying now. They want to put the camera, put the joke, I can run their mouth for social media. No, it's really bad. I didn't lie you. They begin to fail how many years. Don't apart. I mean, they're not small. Begin all their life saving. They don't take as many boy work their donkey. No fine. No fine. Master, more begin. Baby, sure. I beg no begin talk so ya. No man no hate you. No man no detest you. Anthony, no, I don't get no malice. You be fine boy. So small thing they say nothing no pass arrangement. Sometimes they waste some kind thing don't count. If you know say that people give them money for documentary too, hold them, hustle them. If you know say okay, na aquati, na hustle, you try for people see good pay. So people don't cancel that they start paying 100, 200. Before 100 say, but I leave and don't pass. I don't tire me. That 10 francs. You don't pass. But why the men they say the one bring sense, fire, you go carry the one go court. They go and go first is that they keep that court case for 10 years. But when the